I tried out a new recipe.
Lincoln, will you turn it down? I am obsessed, and I'm okay with that.
Yesterday we tried out a new salad and I thought I'm gonna make a video on this. If it turns out good, if it doesn't turn out good, that's fine. It was fantastic. The first thing you want to do is start prepping the nuts for the salad. Sorry.
How old are you, 10?
The first thing you're gonna want to... Hey!
Okay.
The first thing you're gonna want to do is prep your nuts for the salad dressing. Yesterday we made the salad cold and it was good, but I think it would be better if it was warm. So instead of collecting all of our ingredients to go in a bowl, we're gonna collect it in this wok.
Thanks, Gordon.
We got this pan for our wedding. I'm gonna start by cutting up a half a head of purple cabbage. I know it's called red cabbage, but come on folks, this is purple cabbage. It's purple. The thing I really like about cabbage is it's cheap, it goes a long way, and it stays really good in the fridge. Like this is a salad that you would be able to put in the fridge and keep for leftovers. We're going to add a little variety to our color by adding a red bell pepper. You can add whatever color you want. I like red, they're sweet. You're gonna chop up an entire head of cilantro. You can use parsley, but I think cilantro is better. I'm going to use one large carrot. You can slice it, you can dice it, you can do it however you want. We're being fancy and we're doing ribbons. You can cut up as many green onions as your heart desires. Yesterday was my first experience with pad thai noodles. These are rice pad thai noodles. And the directions are so simple. I don't know why I felt intimidated to use them, but it was great. All you're gonna do is soak your noodles in hot water for 10 minutes. That's it. So you have your noodles and your nuts soaking in water. And while that's going on, I'm going to start on the sauce. You put 1 orange in there. And guys, I don't know if I can make this look pretty. Oh, that was pretty enough. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, not soy sauce. In my heart, it'll always be soy sauce. You can also use coconut aminos if you wanna cut down on the sodium, which I should, but I'm splurging with the soy sauce. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You probably don't have to mince your garlic since it's going in the blender, but I'm going to anyway. I'm gonna do 3 cloves of garlic. You're gonna take a 1/4 cup of the water that your nuts were soaking in. Pour that into your blender. Strain the rest of the nuts and add that to your blender. Okay, then you're just gonna blend it up. Now strain your noodles and rinse them with cold water. This literally smells. Ladies sneezing.
You have a problem, dog?
We're just going to pour the sauce in. Ooh. Okay, we're just going to mix all of this up together. Yesterday I served it cold, so you don't have to heat it up if you don't want to. I'm gonna heat it up today. And we also had chicken with this yesterday as well. So you can always add chicken to it if you want that protein. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I really am enjoying doing these cooking videos. So if you guys like them, let me know in the comments below. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you want to see more of the recipes that I've done, I have a food playlist in the description below, along with links for all the tools that I used in today's video. Bye guys. Yesterday was delicious cold. 10 out of 10, recommend warming it up on the oven. So delicious.
The other day, I seriously thought this was like a dirty dish soaking on the counter, so I almost threw it away. Good thing I didn't. So don't focus on your face.
Where the light.
Ooh, that's nice. Wasting film here.
Sorry, Phil.
Gonna have a whole roll I gotta take to the
Honey, you
studio.
really gotta think. Just don't talk, let me think.
Do you know that almond joys have nuts? Mounds don't. I think it's the only present you let me keep.
But come on! Oh, but come on. Oh, sheesh, this is a hard head.
Whenever you're ready.
Variety, we're gonna do our, sorry, do it again. I'm ready.
These nuts are disgusting looking.
Whenever you're ready.
These nuts. Oh, sorry. Variety of
Oh, sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
Turn it down, Lincoln.
You got something on your nose, dog. It's a little red.
I mean,
It's hard to stop the flow once it starts.
turn it down! Yesterday was my first.
You gotta be plopping kidding me.
So you have your noodles and you have your nuts soaking in water. I have to do it again.